Hello students, in this video lecture you will learn what is an empty set, which sets are finite sets, which are infinite sets, when two sets are equal, when two sets are equivalent. So we need to study these 5 types of sets in this video lecture. Starting with the definition of empty set. You can also say void set or null set. Null set, void set and empty set. Now, what is the definition of empty set? A set which does not contain any element is called an empty set. Is called an empty set or null set or void set. This means that a set which does not have any element, which does not contain any element, that is an empty set. We can express this set by empty bracket, that is empty bracket, or one another method, that is write phi. This is phi, phi, phi or phi, right? You can either put empty braces or put the symbol of phi. For example, if I say that A is a set X such that X, the value of X lies between 1 and 2 and X is a natural number. So this means that we need to find X which lies between 1 and 2 and is natural number. You all know that there is no natural number which lies in between 1 and 2, right? So there is no element, so you can write A equal to phi, or you can write A equal to empty bracket, that is this A is empty set. A is empty set, that means it does not have any element. Clear? Now come on to the definition of finite sets. What is finite set? A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called a finite set. This means either the set is empty, either it is empty or it has some elements, but we can find how many elements it contains, right? If I can count the number of elements in a set, then I can say that set is a finite set. That set is a finite set. For example, if I say write X such that X is a day of the week, so I know that here I will write A equal to Sunday, comma Monday, comma Tuesday, comma Wednesday, comma Thursday, comma Friday, comma Saturday, comma Sunday. So I can write 7 elements here. So that means I can count how many elements the set A contains. So it is a finite set. So it is a finite set. On the contrary, what is infinite set? What is infinite set? Infinite set is that set in which we cannot find how many elements it contains. That is the number of elements. The number of elements in a set is infinite. What is infinite? It means we cannot count. We cannot count. They are very, very large in number. We leave the set by using the dash symbol. That set is infinite set. For example, natural number is infinite because it is 1, 2, 3, so on. Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, so on. It is also infinite sets. Clear? Next type is equal sets. equal sets. When two sets are equal, I have two sets, for example A set and B set. When I can say that these two sets are equal? First, their order is equal. Order is equal. What I mean from the word order? Order means number of elements. Order means number of elements. If the order of two sets are equal and elements are also equal, if these two properties hold, then I can say that two sets A and B are equal. That is, A and B are equal sets if they have same order and elements. Clear? Now come on to the definition of equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. What is equivalent sets? It means only order is equal. Order is equal. If the order of two sets are equal, then we can say that the sets are equivalent sets. Elements may not be equal in equivalent sets. Let us try some questions from the exercise 1.2. In the first question, the question says, which of the following are examples of the null set? What is the set? First set is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Now just think that is there any odd number which is divisible by 2? No, because I told you in the previous lecture that what is the definition of odd sets? Odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. So here there is no odd natural number which is divisible by 2. So the set is empty. Yes. Yes, it is an empty set or null set. So the answer will be yes. In the second part, set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers. You first need to know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so on. This means prime numbers are those numbers which starts from 2. One is not included in prime number, which starts from 2 and write those numbers which lie on its table, its own table, right? I have not written 9 here because 9 comes on the table of 3 as well. I have also not written 15 because 15 comes on the table 3 as well as on table 5, right? So they are not prime numbers. Prime numbers, the only factors in the prime numbers are 1 and the number itself, right? So you can write the definition of prime number, that is prime numbers are those numbers which starts from 2 and the only factors in the number is 1 and the number itself, या तो वो खुद या फिर 1. Clear? Now in the second question says, is there any even prime number? Is there any even number here? Yes, 2 is even as well as prime. So this set, the answer will be 2, and that is, it is not an empty set. So the answer will be no, because 2 lies in the set, so it is not a null set. Question number 2. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? First part, the set of months of a year. The set of months, yes, you can write the set of months, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? You know that from where you need to start and at which it ends. So that is This is a finite set. You can count the number of elements the set contains. That is, there are total 12 numbers in this set, so this set is finite set. In the second part, 1, 2, 3, so on, this is infinite set, because this is natural numbers, so it is infinite set. In the fourth part, question is the set of positive integers greater than 100. Is there any positive integer which is greater than 100? Yes, 101, 102, 103, so on up to I don't know. So it is also infinite set, right? Because I don't know the ending point, right? Third question, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. In the first part, the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Now here, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, right? The question says the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So I can express this is the line, because this is the line which is parallel to x-axis, this is the line, this is the line, so on, and here also. So I cannot find, because here it is infinity and here it is minus infinity. So this is an infinite set, right? Because we know that y-axis is also infinite axis, right? Now question number 4. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. In the first part, A set is A, B, C, D. In the B set is D, C, B, A, right? How many elements in set A contains? 4 elements. Number of elements in B is also 4. So order are equal. What is the second property? That is, their elements must also be same. Here it is A, B, C, D. All elements are lying in A as well as in B set. So yes, elements are also equal, right? This means that I can say that there is no element in set A which is not present in set B, and there is no element in set B which is not present in set A. That is, all the elements in both sets are equal, right? The order may alter, but elements are equal. That is, yes, A and B are equal, right? Question number 5. Are the following pair of sets equal? Give reasons. In the first part, A set is 2, 3. B set is x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. I need to find the solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. I can find the solution using the method that you have learned in 10th class, right? X equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 3. So B set is minus 2, minus 3. The order of A is 2, order of B is 2. Order are equal. Elements are not equal, because 2 is not equal to minus 2, 3 is not equal to minus 3. So A is not equal to B, right? In question number 6, from the sets given below, select equal sets. You need to find which pair of sets are equal. I leave this question for you because I know that you can solve this question easily, right? This is your homework. All the best and thank you.